Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a stunning pair of earrings, check out LeCalla. Now, they have an incredible lineup of jewelry. These particular earrings are made of 925 sterling silver. They are so beautifully designed. They have a wonderful weight to them, not too heavy, but they definitely feel substantial. The clasp is excellent. I never feel like these are gonna fall out. They stay securely in place. I love the design, a really nice rectangular modern look. It goes with absolutely any outfit. They dangle just nicely, but I don't even feel like I'm wearing anything in my ears. So super great for wearing all day long. These feel like a very high quality set of earrings. They come in a really pretty box, so excellent for gifting as well if that's what you're buying them for. Overall, these are an excellent choice. You can definitely wear these casual or dressed up. You will get a ton of wear out of these earrings. I think you will absolutely love them, and that's my point of view.